How to cash on delivery on Zomato. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can use cash on delivery option on Zomato. Now unfortunately it's unavailable in my region, so I'll just be guiding you through. In order to use cash on delivery on Zomato, all you have to do is you can simply go ahead and order your food online. You can use the Zomato web or the application itself. Once you order your food, it'll ask you to enter in your delivery details, and once you do so, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details. Right now, the important part here is on the delivery address. After the delivery address, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details. On the payment details section, it'll ask you to choose your method to pay. There you'll get the option that says cash. You want to select the option cash on delivery or cash, and there you'll be able to use that means that you can pay your delivery driver after you have got your food, and you can use the cash on delivery feature like this way. So hope this helps you. Do like, subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.